the best way is to find a place to hide. When the wind is very violent, now the wind slowed down a little bit. You can tell it slowed down. But a severe wind can attack you at any minute, and you never know when it is going to hit. Hiding in a place like this is the best idea until the wind slows down a little bit, quiets down a little bit. The rollover behind me was the result of the driver did not pay attention to the weather. The weather is very violent.